After praying to Nityananda, Narottam realized, oh, but Nityananda is not so easy to approach. He's a Brahmin. He's an avadut. He's in his own ecstasies. Half the time he's in Balya Bhav. The other time he's avadut. And sometimes he's jumping on someone's shoulders, or he's jumping on the crocodiles in the Ganga and swimming out there. And sometimes he's going up to girls and saying, marry me. And he's saying all kinds of things. Sometimes he jumps on Malini's lap and acts like a baby. And so it's very hard to approach him. So how will I get the mercy? How will I get this avalokan, this kripa avalokana of Nitai? How will I get Advaita Gosai? Daya Koro Sita Pati Advaita Gosai. So then he turns, he says, your kripa has the power. With your power, if I get the power from Advaita Acharya, then I can get the mercy of Nityananda. Then I can get Prem Seva, and then I can attain Gauranga and Radha and Krishna and the Kunjas of Vrindavan. But not only do I need the teen Prabhus, I need Advaita Prabhu, I need Nityananda Prabhu, and Mahaprabhu, but I need the devotees. I need the associates, the intimate associates of Gauranga. Nitai, we need the eternal associates, Swarup Damodar. We need the 6 Goswamis. And because I'm in Narottam is in Lokanath's parampara. He prays to his guru, Lokanath. I need the sadhus and guru. Sadhu guru and Krishna. Krishna, sadhu and guru. Sadhu sangha and guru. So in the next prayer, he prays to the sadhus. He prays to his guru, Guru Varg. His initiating guru Lokanath and his Shiksha gurus, Swarup Damodar, Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Raghunath. And